Okay,
No way.
I have a way prettier thing.
Okay, give me a pretty name.
Okay. Bumblebee.
That's not my name.
Okay, your name is Bird.
No, it's not.
Bird
No, it's not.
Bird Bee.
Your name is Rainbow Sparkles
Your name is Rainbow Sparkle Pop Poop.
Papa. No, it's not. Your name is Rainbow Sparkles Pretty Princess.
That's a beautiful name.
I know.
Your name is Poop.
No, not Poop. Give me a nice name.
Okay, I have a much better name. Flower Poop.
Flower Poop. Well, that's a little bit better.
Okay, I have a way better name. Rainbow Flower Poop.
No, I don't want that name.
Yes,
I don't want a name that ends with poop.